So yeah, guys, it's just a quick nighttime tour around the hood. So yeah, guys, right now we're in Bexhill. I put that here. You guys can look it up. And we're gonna do a little bit of touring. Some tonight, some in the morning. Here, outside, what the New Yorkers call a deli. We're gonna head into the deli. It's important, no matter where you are in the world, whether it's South America, the UK, or America, you gotta have yourself a good deli, good relationship with the owner. You know, it's important. Key to survival in these type of places. You know what I mean? Let's get it. Hello, sir. What I love about here is the variety of choice. So here I've got my bag of goodies. Of course, they don't charge extra for a bag. And look at this, we got Monster. We got the ones that are hard to find. We got ones that don't exist. And then we got, oh, I forget. Oh no, I'm tripping. Then we got peach, pineapple, ginger, Jamaican ginger beer. Alright. We got grape, one of my favorites. The legendary berry. Couldn't miss out on it. Like altogether for all that was at £10. That's very legit. So happy with that. Like, okay. See, I think it might always have been Müller, which is German. But normally when I see that, I never saw it in big font. But here you can see in big font. And they say they want whole milk. So I'm gonna grab that. Some training sessions while I'm here. Even if it's just like a short few minutes clip before or after training, that would be cool. At the end of the day, wherever you are in the world, it's all about connections, talking to the right people, and yeah, being open to speak to people. But you gotta be street smart too, you know, like if it's a sketchy character, the situation is sketchy, then just walk away from it, blood. It ain't gonna do no use. Ain't gonna do no use. Here we got some Halloween. We've already seen some funny Halloween decorations. Halloween already happened, didn't it? Here we got another local store, but maybe for privacy reasons. Even though Bexhill, Bexhill's a bit of a like small, older person population. The guy, my guy, I'm gonna call him, working at my deli, the one I'm with. He was saying, because when I told him I'm from Hastings, he was saying that Hastings has better nightlife and stuff. And I was like, oh yeah? And he's like, yeah, because you know, here it's just old geezers. And he said something I wish I would have got recorded. That's why I go get me a sneaky GoPro. I can just hold down here and get a whole 360 on action. Yeah, so now I'm just here to get some milk and return home. Unlike, I'm just playing. It's a typical store right here. There's a typical milk. I trained here once. I got a free training session. This was honestly lit. So yeah guys, it's just a quick nighttime tour around the hood. Yeah, in Bexhill proximity, you gotta come here to, it says liquor store on it. And over here you got the typicals. Those guys in the background were just like, I feel like the UK is one of the most popular places where if you see people fighting on the street, they're normally buddies. Like, it's like they're actual homies, you know? And I be feeling like Liam Carpenter because I'm so used to Germany. Like, I look the wrong way when crossing the road. The guy at the liquor store too said he could tell by my accent that like I'm not from around here. So I explained to him that I live in Europe and I moved away. And then what do I want to say? Oh yeah, that in Germany too, there's this saying like kein Bier vor vier, which means like no beer before 4, which I honestly like because it's typical engineering Germans in it, where it's like make it make sense. Because if you start drinking after 4, then chances are you go into the evening, get a nice buzz, and then if you're at home you can just go chill and sleep, or you can go out to party and then sleep. But in the UK, that rule does not exist. Yeah, like there's no time limit on that. Like I came downstairs, it was like maybe 2 o'clock, and just beer put right in front of me. And now, right here, we outside the famous Weatherspoon. I'm not sure if it's gonna hold up. You can see it goes like that whole way around. A homie of mine actually works here. Not sure if he's on shift. I want to hit him up. But yeah, it's a nice vibe. Got good drinks, nice options, and they sell good food. And it's pretty reasonable. And there's like, you know, when we talk about like the UK, pubs are at the pinnacle. So if we're gonna do a vlog, I'm gonna make it about the culture. And that's what this is, you know? We've got Weatherspoon. And yeah, like I say, part of the culture. You got some slot machines in there. That's a real. Oh look, there's Dave, his friend. What's up, Dame? Never recognized you, know I do. Yeah, here you can see the food. I'm gonna switch the camera in a minute so y'all get a better view. Let's see here. Got inside. There you got the hallway run down. You can go up to the roof, which is nice. You can see the vibes. They got the carpet. It's nice and warm in there. Nice and cozy. They got the bar where you get served. And there it is. The famous Weatherspoon. I hit the lottery. Damn, I forgot that I even made that. And that's something I recommend that I do more often, and any producer. You can find plenty of acapellas online from famous rappers. And then, you just put the BPM, can tweak it, do whatever. And that was just something I did for fun, but that came out nicely.